Isang magandang araw pong muli para sa ating mga kamatalino at matyaga. Sa araw pong ito ay atin namang aaralin ang operations on functions, adding and subtracting function. So, given the function f of x and g of x, we define the following. First, sum f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. While the difference f minus g of x equals f of x minus g of x. Okay? So now, simulan po natin sa adding function. Again, the sum is f plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. Meron po ako ditong unang halimbawa. Let's say, atin pong f of x ay x squared plus 2x plus 1. At ang ating g of x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4. So, find f plus g of x. Okay? So, ang ating first step, i-apply po natin yung definition for adding function. So, meron tayong f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Now, we have f plus g of x equals, ang f of x po natin ay x squared plus 2x plus 1. While ang atin pong g of x ay x squared minus 4x plus 4. So, ang operation po natin ay addition. Okay? Second step, group similar terms and make sure that the terms are arranged in descending orders. Ibig sabihin daw po, simula sa pinakamataas na degree, pababa. Okay? So, f plus g of x is equal to, so meron tayo ditong x squared plus another x squared, again plus 2x plus negative 4x, and then plus 1, and then plus 4. Okay po? Now, dahil po na-arrange na natin, i-combine naman po natin ang similar terms. Okay? So, paano? X squared plus x squared is 2x squared. 2x minus 4x is negative 2x. And then 1 plus 4 is positive 5. Okay? So, ito po ang ating f plus g of x. Okay? Now, let's proceed po sa ating pangalawang example. So, let's say ang given natin ay f of x equals 4 over x squared minus 16. At ang atin namang g of x is equal to x over x minus 4. So, hahanapin naman daw po natin ang f plus g of x. Okay po? So, ang atin pong first step, once again, is to apply the definition for adding function. So, f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So, ano po ba yung given nating f of x? So, this is equal to, f of x po natin ay 4 all over x squared minus 16 plus, ang given g of x po natin ay x over x minus 4. Okay. Now, dahil meron po tayo ditong magkaibang denominator, isang x squared minus 16 at x minus 4, kailangan po nating hanapin ang LCD or the least common denominator. So, ano po kaya yung LCD? When we factor out x squared minus 16, that is equal to x plus 4 times x minus 4. Okay? So, hindi na po natin kailangan pang ulitin dahil meron tayong isang x minus 4 pa dito, isang beses na lang po yon. Okay? So, yan na ang ating magiging LCD. X plus 4 times x minus 4 or x squared minus 16. Okay? Isa lang po yan. X times x is x squared, negative 4x plus positive 4x is 0, and then positive 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Okay? Yan. So, x squared minus 16 divided by x squared minus 16 is 1. times 4. So, ayan po, nilagay natin dyan. Plus, ang ating operation na plus, okay, or addition, x squared minus 16 divided by x minus 4 is x plus 4 times x. Okay? So, ilalagay din po natin dito. Next, we will simplify now the expression. So, 1 times 4 is 4. Plus, x times x is x squared. Plus, 4 times x is 4x. Okay? Divided by x squared minus 16. Alright? So, arrange lang din po natin ulit, no, sa descending order. Okay? So, meron na tayo ngayong x squared plus 4x plus 4 all over x squared minus 16. So, yan po ang ating f plus g of x. Okay? So, now, let's proceed to subtracting function. So, again, the difference is f minus g of x equals f of x minus g of x. Alright? So, tingnan po natin ang ating example. So, let's say, ang atin pong f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. While ang atin naman pong g of x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4. So, we're just going to find the f minus g of x. Okay? So, sundan po natin ang ating bawat steps. So, ang first step natin is apply the definition for subtracting function. So, f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So, once again, ang ating f of x is x squared plus 2x plus 1. At this time, subtraction po tayo, so minus. I-minus natin yung ating g of x na x squared minus 4x plus 4. And then now we will simplify. Okay? So, simplify. How are we going to simplify? So, pagsasamahin na natin, no? Yung ating similar terms. Okay? Or, distribute muna natin yung ating second functions. Okay? So, just copy x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then, okay, so sundan lang po natin ito, no? This one. So, negative times x squared is negative x squared. Negative times negative 4x is positive 4x. Negative times positive 4 is negative 4. Okay? At saka natin tayo magko-combine ng like terms. Alright? So, meron tayong x squared minus x squared plus 2x plus 4x plus 1 minus 4. Okay? And now, x squared minus x squared is 0. Ano na lang yung natitira? 2x plus 4x is 6x. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. So, that is our f minus g of x. Okay? Tingnan po natin ang ating pangalawang example or apat na simula kanina doon sa addition. So, meron tayo ditong f of x equals x plus 4 over x plus 3. At ang ating g of x is equal to x minus 2 over x plus 3. So, we'll find f minus g of x. Okay? So, ang ating first step, apply the definitions for subtracting functions. F minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So, ano po ba yung ating f of x? Ang ating f of x daw po ay x plus 4 over x plus 3. And then, ang ating operation ay subtraction. Ano po ang ating g of x? X minus 2 over x plus 3. Okay? So, dahil po parehas naman na ang ating denominator, so isi-simplify na po natin. Okay? Ang ating denominator ay parehas na x plus 3. So, yan na po ang gagamitin nating LCD. Okay? So, x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 is 1. And then, after natin makuha yung 1, i-multiply natin sa numerator na x plus 4. Okay? And then, minus x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 is 1 times the numerator x minus 2. Okay? So, next, 1 times x is x. 1 times 4 is 4. Negative 1 times x is negative x. And then negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. Okay? All over x plus 3. Okay? So now, ano yung x minus x? Wala na, di ba? X minus x is 0. So, ano na lang yung natitira sa atin? 4 plus 2. Okay? Divided by or all over x plus 3. Okay? That is the f minus g of x. Okay? So, that's all for today. And thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.